everyone, my name is Leon and welcome back to another video. I make content every single day based around video production, making money online, tutorials and business. So if that is what you're interested in, then be sure to subscribe. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create your own lower thirds in Premiere Pro. So without any further hesitation, let's just jump into this tutorial. Okay, so on the screen is Premiere Pro, and first things first, actually get something to put on the timeline. So I'm going to go for a color matte. Click OK. And I'm going to go with white. Because why not? And essentially just drag the color matte or whatever you're using for this onto the timeline. And now what you want to do is go to new item again, color matte again. And this time basically go for whatever colour you want as well as whatever, well, previously. So I'm going to go for blue. Click OK. Now drag that on top of the timeline, on top of the layer we just created right there. Now, essentially what you want to do is just, well, click on either that or that one if you're lazy, or that one if you actually would rather do all the hard work. So I'm just going to go for this because it's a lot simpler. Now just increase that by a little. Give me a minute. I press wrong. I press shift. Anyway, there we are. So give me a minute. Let me just get this positioned correctly. Is that? Don't mind me, I'm just doing this a second. I think it works. Right, so essentially you've just created like a little layer there which you can stick some text on and, well, whatever, really. So just go to text, or, well, yeah, so that's that. Now, add some text. So I'm just gonna type in Leon. Stands out. Holy shit, did I just make I just made it. Wow. I actually just made a quality lower third. Actually, let's add some drop shadow to make it stand out even more. Because right now, I don't know, I just like the quality of that at the moment. So, go to Effects and type in, or go to Drop Shadow. Put that onto the color matte that we previewed, well, the blue one. Now go to Effect Controls and drag the opacity to 100%. Softness, drag that. Hell, it's not even doing anything. Come on, don't embarrass me now, Premiere. Don't embarrass me. Regardless, I'd say we've done a pretty good job if you decided to, you know, learn along with me. But if you watch the video and just didn't do anything, that's more than fine. Okay everyone, that is basically how you create lower thirds in Premiere Pro. If you found this video valuable, then be sure to subscribe for more. Leave a like and share the video around to boost its search rankings and overall help the channel grow. And if you have any questions or just general areas you think I should improve on, then be sure to message me via Instagram or Snapchat. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care everyone.